inverted spear of heaven from Jujutsu Kaisen. I heat the steel until it's glowing red. Straight to the anvil and I start hammering. Each strike shapes the blade. I mark the outline and cut the excess. Grind the edges, sparks flying everywhere. I quench the blade. Now the handle cutting and carving every detail. Piece by piece it's coming together. I polish it, and just like that, the inverted spear of heaven is complete. Subscribe for more and tell me what I should forge next.